Okay, so how to make live stream banner art. So I already have some logos made up, but part of my branding series, I'm basically gonna record as just make a diary of what I'm doing. So I'm branding and I'm making soft talks. So we're talking about branding. I've already done one about how to make a slogan, a catchy "Welcome to Zolf Talks Photography," exploring the passion of photography regardless of our gear. That's my slogan. But now I need to brand my live stream. So when you see this stuff in the bottom on the live stream, I need to brand that again. So if I turn that off again, okay, so this is my thumbnail design, but I think I have an open recent of my YouTube cover. Oh, that's the other channel. If I do open recent, it's one of these. Probably too far. Podcast cover, no. YouTube cover. There we go. Okay, and I have a Zolf Talks photography one. Let's have a look. Okay, so where will that one be now? Zolf podcast videos. Okay, let's think about this. Where will it be? Well, it should be in my filing system because I file everything. And if I follow the logical path, which would be resources, Zolf Talks photo, live stream, boom, bam, son, there it is. Okay, so if I go back up, artwork for live. Okay, I already have artwork for live. Let's see what that looks like. Okay, let's get rid of that one. And we're interested in, there we go, mate. Right, so Zolf Talks photography. Zolf Talks photography. There's a little banner. Okay, so I already have that artwork there. If I'm recording and I switch between OBS screens, will it carry on recording? Let's see. Oh, it stops recording. No, it carried on recording. Okay. But what is it recording now? That's an interesting one. Okay, so I switch scenes. That is what you see. If I go EOS close and go Advent, will you see my Advent? There we go. Okay, so I already have this one set up. So in a way, it's Zolf photography. I want it to be Zolf Talks photography. Okay, that's not that wide. Okay, that one there. Zolf Talks photography. Okay, I think I already have artwork set up then. That would be interesting. So it's lower thirds, basically a little banner at the bottom, and it could be behind my display capture. Yeah, and the bottom is Zolf Talks photography. So the show is going to be Zolf Talks photography, but a live show. Okay, you know what? The channel is called Zolf photography, and I'm sure you can see the screen. Yes, you can. If I go dual, so here, if I minimize that, give you this. Okay, so you'll see I've got these set up here, logos. If I lower that, you got my socials. There they are. So Zolf Talks. Just get rid of the extra info. Don't need that. So that's basically my setup there. I think we should be good. Zolf photography, Zolf Talks photography. Bam, son. See, that's how it is. So I'm lucky enough to say I have already set it up, but just not paid attention. So we are good. But that's how you, yeah, what would you call that? Branding? Branding your live stream? Yes, okay. I need to sort that out as well. That says Zolf Talks. Zolf Talks photography. Welcome to Zolf Talks photography, Exploring the passion of photography regardless of our gear. Okay.